Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to LendingTree for tax-friendly financing options, detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the LendingTree website by entering the URL in your browser. Once on the homepage, look for the Get Started or Sign Up button. Click on the button to begin the subscription process. You will be directed to a registration page. Here, you will need to enter your personal information. Fill in details such as your name, email address, and phone number. Ensure that the email address you provide is active, as you may need it for verification. After entering your information, create a secure password. Make sure your password meets the security requirements listed on the page. Once you've filled in all required fields, review your information for accuracy. Next, accept the terms and conditions of the service. There may be a checkbox indicating your agreement. Make sure to check it. After accepting the terms, click on the Continue or Submit button. You will receive an email to verify your account. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will take you back to the LendingTree site where your account is activated. Now you can log in using your email and newly created password. Once logged in, navigate to the section for financing options. Browse through the various tax-friendly financing options available to you. Take your time to review the details of each option. If you find an option that interests you, click on it for more information. LendingTree may ask for additional information to tailor options to your needs. Fill out any necessary forms as prompted. After submitting the required information, wait for the financing options to be presented. Review the personalized options and choose the one that suits you best. Follow the instructions to proceed with your chosen option. You may need to provide further documentation or details depending on the financing option selected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.